Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable ANC on your earbuds Libratone TRACK Air. You have to start by opening the application and now click on your headphones here. And this is ANC, so we have two modes right here, ambient monitoring, and the second one right here is ANC. So you can just click right here at the left one, or you can also use adjuster. So open settings, go to tab, and now you should add noise cancelling mode to your headphones. As you can see, we can't add it for the triple tap, so we can add it only for the double tap, for the left one and right one earbud. So choose the best one for you. I'm going to the left one and click on the noise cancelling with mode switching. And now, if I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will enable ANC. So let's check it. 1, 2. And as you can see, I swapped to ANC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.